Hey everyone, in this lesson we're going to go through how to find the volume of spheres. So spheres are like a round figure with every point on its surface equally distanced from its center. So you can think of spheres as like a tennis ball, an orange, something like ball shaped. Okay, so the distances from the center of the sphere are known as radii and or like a radius if you're just talking about one. And it's very similar to a circle. So if you can see this diagram over here, this is a radius, and if you think like in 3 dimensions, this one's coming towards us, that's another radius, okay? So if you draw any line from the center outwards to the outside of the sphere, that's known as a radius, okay? Now, to calculate the volume of a sphere, we use the following formula. We use the volume equals 4/3 times, so we times in the middle here, times by pi times by r cubed. Okay, this formula comes from finding the surface area of the sphere. So when we go through the surface area of a sphere, I'll show you where this formula comes from. But just for now, we're just going to accept it as it is. Okay, so examples, let's go through some. So find the volume of each solid. So we've got the first one, we write down the formula. So volume equals 4/3 times pi times r cubed. And the only variable that we need to take into account for the volume of a sphere is the radius, okay? And the radius here is equal to 14 millimeters. Okay, that's this here. Okay, we substitute that into the formula, 4/3 times pi times 14 cubed. Okay, so that's to the power of 3. And then we put that in the calculator and we round it to the nearest whole. Okay, so 11494. The rest is 0.04. Okay, and then we're going to round it, 11494. And our units will be millimeters cubed. Now in the Google form, you will not include units. You just round it to the nearest whole and leave it like that. Okay, let's look at this second example. So the second example is the diameter. Okay, so the diameter here is 18 centimeters. So what we need to do with our formula, let's just write it here, is we need to first find the radius. So a radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2, which equals 18 divided by 2, which equals 9. Okay, so our radius in this case is 9. So we substitute that in, volume equals 4/3 times pi times 9 cubed, and that will equal 4/3 times pi times 9 cubed, 3053.628, etc. And to round that to the nearest whole will be 3054 centimeters cubed. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please go onto the Jamboard and ask your questions there. Look forward to talking to you guys. Bye.